Hi everyone, welcome back to The Life's Good. Cheryl and I are still on holiday, although we haven't been away anywhere, but we have completed all the decorating we wanted to do, so that's a bonus. We've had quite a bit of rain as well, not the thunderstorms like they've had down south, but quite a few heavy showers, which is good. Filled up the water butts and watered everything in and around the garden. Now if you hear noises in the background today, that'll be the builders in the home adjacent to the back of ours. They are continuing constructing the extension there, so apologies for that, but can't be helped. Lots to do in the garden. Cheryl's been out this morning and collected raspberries. There's quite a few there ready for picking. Black currants ready for harvesting. I noticed we got a few peas coming on as well. They're probably almost ready for picking. Certainly the salads, we've got lots of that going on at the moment. So what we'll do is take you down on the plot, come and join us as we crack on down there. Bit of harvesting, bit of tidying up. Come and see what we're up to. See you down there in a minute. Well, Cheryl's busy sorting out these raspberries, guys. We've got several batches here. How much is that weighing on these scales there, Cheryl?
Well, I picked them this morning and it was 1 kilo and 200 grams, I want to say. Yeah. I don't know what that is in old money. So
1.2 kilos of raspberries picked this morning.
There's still, there is some still on, but they weren't quite ripe.
Okay, so you picked the ones that were ready.
Picked the ones that were ready.
And how are you preparing these for storage?
Well, what I do is I just lie them on a baking tray, whack them in the freezer, give them a half an hour or so, and then put them out.
So when they're frozen as individual raspberries, you then bag them?
Yeah, because if you bag them all together, all the juices get all squashed, and then, you know, it just doesn't look right, but at least they're individually.
So if you just put them straight in a bag and freeze them, they freeze en masse.
They freeze en masse, yes.
Right, so by doing this, they stay separate.
It's a little bit more time consuming, but, oops, daisy, hang on.
But by freezing the raspberries on the tray and then putting them in the bag, they actually stay separate.
They
so
do.
you can just grab a few as you need them.
See?
Excellent. And they'll be going back in the freezer like that now.
And they'll be going back in the freezer like that.
Perfect. That's a great tip, guys.
And I'll put another batch in. Oh, look at. Oh,
few
look.
left over.
Frozen one. Ah, no.
Well, sometimes, guys, the best laid plans don't always come to fruition. We've done a few things in the garden, and Cheryl did manage to harvest the raspberries. But as far as making further videos was concerned, the builders were firing up all sorts of equipment. There was all manner of noise taking place, and it was just a waste of time. So we've done a few things. We've put out a few flowers, and we decided it's warm, the sun's just poking through, and it was definitely beer o'clock. So cheers, and we'll get back on the plot as soon as things quieten down a bit. See you later. Bye bye. Cheers, Cheryl.
Cheers, AJ.
This is my kind of gardening.
Well, yes.
This is
That's
lovely.
The best kind. Just watching the garden.
Oh,
Tasty, isn't it?
this is my latest homebrew, guys. It's an English ale. I forget the name of the kit I use now. But
Too many
this is
beers, that is.
too many beers. It was a Muntons.
Oh, it's come back to you.
Muntons English Ale. Muntons English Ale. 40 pints in a barrel in the cupboard under the stairs. You always find me as a potter in the cupboard, under the stairs. That's where the beer is. So yeah, pint of homebrew, and it is damn lovely. Right, well, we're going now. We're going to chill out for an hour or so and then probably get back out on the plot a bit later on. Bye for now.
Bye.